Osmar asks a very interesting question. In this day of digitalization, what kind of knowledge is important to young people who are starting their career? That's an exciting question, which unfortunately I don't know how to answer. I can answer a different one, however. How can lean thinking help with digital projects? Now, if we explore this, we can understand how lean can help with anything. Now, when you design an app, you have the same basic challenges as with any product or service. First, you've got to engineer it well so that it does a useful job for someone. Second, you've got to code it well so that it works easily and seamlessly for every user. Lean gives a unique look on engineering the app, coding it, and the relationship between the two, which is the most important. For instance, when you design the app, Lean will get you to experiment with fit to use, app in hand, with many mock-ups, PowerPoints, anything that many users come to see, what naturally comes to people, without you wouldn't think about when you design the workflow. To design the better app, you imagine the app is a person that has a conversation with its user. Then, to code it well, Lean's unique take is to start by engineering the coding environment. What is the dev environment, the testing environment, the production environment? How do you expect to move from one to the other? A lot of DevOps is about this, but Lean has its own techniques as well. And it shows that every time you change environments, you hit problems. When you hit problems, you can solve them and you learn. Now, what is unique in Lean is understanding the link between the engineering environment and the coding environment. Is that when you start engineering the project and this goes into coding and you learn from problems in coding into how to better design the product. So now you have this equivalence between the engineering of the product, the environment in which it's coded, the problems that you solve, and this is what gets you to learn better. Now, when you learn better, of course, this is the Lean secret. This is when you start linking the engineering ideas with how they're coded in the environment. So you learn what is easy, what is hard, what works, what doesn't work. This is where you learn both about the app's design and the code. As a young person, what this gives you is a way to accelerate your learning. And in the very competitive world we are now, accelerating one's learning gives a competitive edge. And it's also fun. So you should try it.